cases are on the rise this holiday season. New at 6, Fox News' Patrick Clark talks with health experts about the cause and how you can take steps in preventing it.
With the return of cold temperatures and Thanksgiving gatherings comes the risk of flu and colds. And would you believe whooping cough?
You know, nationwide, I think the numbers are about 6 times higher than what they saw in 2023. If the last we checked, I think St. Louis was about, or Missouri as a whole, was about 7 times higher than it was in 2023.
According to the CDC, outbreaks of this contagious respiratory illness are frequent and can occur in schools, child care centers, hospitals, and large geographic areas. Dr. Bobby Shaw at St. Luke's Medical Group says the number of reported whooping cough cases in 2024 is higher than what was seen this time last year. The U.S. beginning to return to pre-pandemic patterns.
Pertussis numbers always go up and down like those cyclic outbreaks that I mentioned, but we didn't have an outbreak that we would have expected during the pandemic. Everybody was masked up, they were staying socially distant, and they didn't get pertussis. So we had almost no pertussis for a number of years. Now we're basically returning back to that baseline, but it's something we haven't seen in about 10 years.
Amanda Brzezowski is the senior epidemiologist and supervisor of the Communicable Disease Program for St. Louis County Health. In Missouri, there have been 540 pertussis cases year to date in 2024. In Illinois, 1,713 cases of whooping cough year to date, and nationwide, 25,174 cases reported by the CDC.
So the cough is not just a regular old cough. You have coughing spasms. They're called paroxysms. They tend to typically be at night. The disease is worse at night. It doesn't come with a fever or too many other symptoms.
Healthcare experts agree the best way to prevent pertussis or whooping cough is through vaccination.
You know, whooping cough is still around. It's not going anywhere. You know, people still need to be vaccinated against it. And it's been around forever, but it is definitely still something to think about every winter.
In West County, Patrick Clark, Fox 2 News.